In this video, I'll show you how to join the Plants vs Brainrot Discord server. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside this invite link box, this is what you're going to type. I'll leave it in the description below. Then you want to press Join with Invite link. Then you'll see you've been invited to join the Plants vs Brainrot server. Press Accept Invite. And then down at the bottom, tap on Confirm if you get this captcha message. And that's going to load us into the Plants vs Brainrot server. There's going to be a server onboarding, so it'll ask what notifications you want to receive. You can skip, and you can also skip the second one. And we've now joined the Plants vs Brainrot Discord, so you can come to the trading channel. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.